Right, we'll set the white 6T up, Prizm. There's not an awful lot you can actually do with this, I don't suppose. You got your sensitivity, obviously. I'm going to drop back down 1 or 2 to start with anyway. Got your tone ID, which although it appeals to me, with whites I find it just confuses you completely. So I'll give you a demonstration of that shortly. Discrimination, I've just knocked out nails and the horseshoe sign, basically the iron. That's about it, I think. Yeah, can't think of anything else. Right then. Next up then is the gold chain, 20 inches long, rolled into a ball. Just 1 inch below the ground. It's a bit of a boring signal, but if you just put the tone ID on, it just confuses even more. Doesn't really give a sensible signal. Anyway, onto the gold chain, 5 inches long. Drop the sensitivity up one, see if it gets it any better or not. Roman bronze, a small one at 3 inches. I think any sort of noise coming out of this should probably do it. It's not going to get those. So right then, we're going to small pewter button. Put the sensitivity up to maximum now. No, it's not going to work. Six-inch pewter button. No chance. Coke. Just getting a one-way signal there again, yeah, on most of the targets anyway. Use the ID screen if that makes any difference. Plus 35 seconds all over the place. Let's go back to the Roman bronze. Yeah, that's a bit higher, so although it's a pretty dire. Oh, it's all over the place again. How you can use these things, I have no idea. Right, and it's not going to get anything on here. Go to the gleaner. The same signal as the Coke as you would expect. This is going to be a very quick test, you can see. Iron cord, 2 pence. Backlight on. It's getting it. Crown bottle top. Breaking up a bit better, which is good. The great scheme of things. Coins, low and high conductivity, 8 inches deep, 1 inch apart. Same again, only 3 inches. A bit of a double beat there. Right, ring pull. Steady 34, then 20 pence. 34. Low and high conductive coins. 3 inches deep, steel staple in between. Onto a low conductive coin for 5 pences at 4 inches. £5, 5 inches. Put my tone ID on again. Six inches. This dodgy one-way beep, which obviously you're going to have to dig with these things, otherwise you wouldn't get anything. Oh, that's 7 inches, that's even better. That's about 8 inches. Weird. 9 inches. Getting the deeper targets, better than my shallow ones. Right, and cut quarter 2 inches. 4 inches. 5 pences on edge, 4 inch. Five inches. No. High conductive coins. George III, halfpenny, 6 inches. Seven inches. 8 inches. We'll go for the 9-inch one. Ten inches. Am I imagining this, or is it better on deeper items? 11 inches. Georgian Halfpennies on edge, 6 inches. On a roll here, 7 inches. Nope. Gets it across but not down the length. Right, cartwheel pennies, 8 inches. 9 inches. 10 inches. Nope. Cartwheel pennies on edge, 7 inches. Not really. Right, onto artifacts. Large musket ball, 4 inches. Ooh, decent signal at last. Musket ball, 7 inches. Small bottle, 6 inches. Something like that. Small bottle, 8 inches. Fibula, 3 inches. 5-inch fibula. No, that's quick. It isn't going to get any of the other ones. It's hardly got those. Perhaps it's good on silver coins. Here we go. Victorian silver threepenny bit at 6 inches. Sixpence at 7 inches. Shillings, 8 inches. Hammered penny, Edward I, 6 inches. Up to one-way beeps again. It's not going to get any more of those, so I won't waste your time or mine. Horseshoe, 6 inches. Iron bottle, 6 inches. £20, 8 inches deep, 3 nails directly on top of it. Just about, I suppose. £20, 8 inches with 3 nails, 4 inches above. Not going to get that, nor that, nor that. Halfpenny, 6 inches, Coke, 1 inch. Coke. No, can't really pick. That's right. Let's try the 290, see what that does. Two IDs there now is picking out the RP. I'm sure I wouldn't be digging it, but it gets it. Penknife. Horseshoe 2 inches, 20 6 inches. Obviously overload signal there. Not going to get that. 20 2 inches, horseshoe 6 inches. Not going to get those two. We'll finish off with the 6 halfpennies in a row on each. Get them across, but not along the length. Well, not too impressive, is it? I think most people who go detecting, even nowadays, do tend to go for the nice, clear, two-way, repeatable signals, and tend to ignore the things that are a little bit dodgy, and where the VDI numbers jump about and things like that. So if you were using one of these, you're never going to dig much at all, I'm afraid. So you'd have to change your mindset completely. And I think with one of these, you're going to have to sort of dig anything that gives you a slight indication it might be something down the hole. It's obviously made for the US market, where things aren't as deep and probably are higher conductivity they are in the UK, where things are going to be deeper and smaller. And this just is not suitable for anything like that. It might be alright on the beach, but I wouldn't wish to use one. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll be back shortly with another video. Bye for now.